Come on. God, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, everything's really great in this game. I can beat all enemies I have. Let's go. What was that? My game. Oh, what was that? Man. Huh? Oh, new armor. Let's see it. Fix it. Damage. Ooh. I love this already. Come on. Let's get my weapon ready. I'll pick the blaster. Primontron. And I have 3 weapons, and we'll take the elevator. Okay. Let's go! So bored. I'm really bored right now. 10 incredibly boring minutes later. Well, that was boring. Seriously, clank. What in the world is that over there? Wait, what is that? Oh. Ah! What? Grand rail time. Oh god. Don't shoot me. And jump for it. Woo! Man. Whoa, wah, yeah. It's time. Take this, take that, this, take that, more, and this, and that.
I don't have the capacity for love, Janice. I was cursed by a tribe of gypsy ninjas when I was a kid.
What? Uh-oh. What do I do? Primontron. I know how this works. Oh yeah.
Boarding a lonely train on its way to Lonely Town.
So help me, it's true. All aboard for Lonely Town. Choo-choo, Janice. Choo-choo.
Huh? Ratchet? Yeah, thanks. Oh shoot! Oh no, oh no, no. Ah! Oh my god. Huh? No one can survive this. Hey, nefarious! I have a present for you. It's, guess what? I'll take more. Well, you give up? Yes!
Who is responsible for this outrage?
My mistake, sir. Dreadfully sorry.